Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the treasure to complete major discovery quest from Naughty in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to find Naughty and he's at the Winter Utopia. And once you find him, you can talk to him and then take this quest, a major discovery. And then you need to find the treasure near the onsen. And then I'm going to show you where the treasure is. You just need to follow this guidance. Okay. Just like this, guys. Go to the onsen. Wait, I'm going to pause my video and I'll be right back if I've arrived there. Okay, I've already arrived at the treasure location. Okay, and that's the treasure, guys. And wait, let me take a pic here. Alright, and I'm going to take the treasure. We can click on this question mark. Oh, this is a suspicious item and we're going to investigate. Okay, done. And yeah, I've already found the treasure and complete the quest. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the treasure to complete major discovery quest from Naughty in Heartopia game Winterfrost season. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye!